So now everything here built from the UAE.
Yes.
Items, every spare parts is all made by the UAE.
After building your strong legacy in Europe, why did you choose the UAE? Just a market or a place to manufacture?
First things, I'm moving from Poland privately to Dubai 7 years ago. Yeah, I say, okay, I must do something for this country, to also for me, to have something to do and not want to sit in the house. Yeah, this is floor for the boat. It's also going these pieces to Poland. We are sending everything.
So now you manufacture it from here, produce it
Yes.
from the UAE, and then you send it
Yes, to Poland.
to Poland.
This is the garage of the 88, all small pieces. And this in the back you have the 55 line. This will be finished before or in the summertime this year.
Inshallah, inshallah.
From the walls to the UAE, this is not just a manufacturing. This is the UAE Maritime Innovation.
And today, Sunreef, made in UAE, is no longer label, is a statement.